This is the part where I'm frustrated and ready to just go home for the day. Hey y'all, so this is the only before photo that I have of this space, and it is of my husband painting everything. So as you can see, it's just all white. Here I am putting up some wallpaper, and to be honest, I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to keep it up there. This is the part where I'm frustrated and ready to just go home for the day. So yeah, it doesn't look bad though, but this is still here. It needs to go. That's staying. My lights are still not done. I still need to hang my curtains for the door. This wall is done. It's cute. My chairs, my fireplace. Cute. My TV still needs to go on my wall. So that's done. I think I'm gonna move this. I don't really like it like that. This is in the middle of my floor. Not really liking that. This looks cluttered. Not liking that. She's gonna stay. That's not gonna stay. It's just there for the time being to keep it off the floor. But so are y'all ready for the overview of what I came up with? Is finally done and all put together, and I am officially happy with it after all the frustration. I ain't gonna lie, I shed a couple tears, but let's just get into it. This is me just setting up for a client on a random day. I figured I'd just go ahead and just insert it because I was recording on this day. So I think this client was just coming in to get a brow wax, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I just make the bed or make my massage table. The blanket is Steve Madden, and I believe I got it from Ross. And the other blanket is custom made. It was a gift. But as soon as I come in, I light my candles just to get, a little ambiance going. And they smell so good. So I just light both of my candles, as you see me doing here. And after that, let's just go ahead and get this tour started. So this is my certificates up top, and this is my door and my window, and to the right is my steamer. But as you can see, that's my door. I usually keep my curtains closed just because I do intimate services. So to the left is my sink, and underneath there's just some cleaning stuff. And at the bottom is more like overflow, disposable bed sheets and towels and all that stuff. So keep going over is my mirror and me. Hey y'all, what's up? And this table was a gift in my salon many years ago. And that is my pretty Punani system. There they go. If you want details on that, leave a comment and I'll send links on when or where you can get it. That is my AP10 hashtag. If you know, you know. This is my waiting area. And here I'm just showing you kind of like this is as soon as you walk in, you see this. Like this area is the first thing you see when you come in. And then here I'm showing you like this is what you see when you're sitting down or something like that. But these chairs are from Amazon. Both of them. The rug is from Amazon. The fireplace is heated from Amazon. Tyrese is from Amazon. At the bottom of this shelf, I have contact forms, Barbicide, extra products for sale, and my candle. That candle is from Burlington. This faux aloe vera plant is from Ross, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. The acrylic container is from a store called Tuesday Morning. This is my brow serum for your lamination aftercare. It is available for purchase. And in this container, I just have my card reader and some loyalty cards. On the shelf are my nail cards. If you don't know, I do press on nails. This set is press on. I will have nail videos in the future. The candles are from Amazon. The clock is from Amazon. Up here, I just have my products for display. This little old school radio, Bluetooth radio, is amazing from Amazon. And that gold flower pot is from Big Lots. And the shelf, the corner shelf itself, is from Amazon. These pictures on this wall are from Amazon. I love this wall, you guys. It turned out so beautiful. I'm absolutely in love. But yeah, get into this sign because the real queens absolutely fix each other's crowns. Get into it. Right here, I just have all of my body glow treatments, my Vagacial masks and everything right here. I do have some numbing spray for my first timers in the back. This tray I just use to put like all my implements and stuff on to keep them off my table. My double wax warmer, hard wax, and soft wax, and I'll post everything in the bottom if I can. There I have some hard wax beads, large applicator sticks, gloves, and small applicator sticks. I have some sponges, spatulas, lint-free wipes, muslin strips in the back, large ones. These are on my post and pre-wax stuff. I just put them in smaller bottles just to save space because, you know, so implements. Here are my mini brow brushes. I love those the best, honestly. And then these are the scrubbers I use when I do like underarm facials or back facials and things like that. Over here, I just have like my micro spoolies. These little brushes right here are great for cleanup when I'm doing henna, regular spoolies, applicators, and brushes for when I'm doing henna as well. And that's just all like my henna stuff. Water, because, you know, got to stay hydrated. My tripod is tucked in the corner because I do record some of my services. That is just a DIY plant. My dad sent me the fridge and Doritos snacks because, you know, I be having to eat. So right here are just some of my certificates that's normally on the wall, but it's been hot in here and it just won't stay on the wall. So I have to figure something else out. You know, the picture, one of my licenses is up there. And on this table is my 7-function machine, this towel steamer, and my capitation machine. And you already saw my regular steamer. So that is it, guys. And the stool is from Amazon as well, which is silver, but I spray painted it gold. But that is basically it. This is the overview. If you want me to get into more details about like where I got everything from, what I use everything for, you know, this, whatever, I will do that. I can do that in a separate video. And so normally, depending on my service, I do have my lights off. Just to set the tone, set the mood, to give my clients a chance to relax. They tend to enjoy it. Depending on the service that I'm providing, I do change the color. As you can see, I love these LED lights. They even flicker to the music, you guys. Like, it's amazing. But I usually just keep it kind of right here, which technically is pink, but it absolutely looks blue. I don't know kind of what's up with that. But thank you for watching and have a blessed day.